Hello students. So now osmosis. Osmosis is the diffusion of water or solvent through semi-permeable membrane from a region of lower solute concentration to a region of higher solute concentration. So now again osmosis. What is it? Osmosis is the diffusion of water or solvent through semi-permeable membrane from a region of lower solute concentration to a region of higher solute concentration. Now next, role of osmosis. Role of osmosis. Next, it helps in absorption of water and minerals from the soil by root hair. Next, osmosis helps in cell-to-cell movement of water. Osmosis plays a key role in growth of radicle and plumule during seed germination. Next role, osmosis develops turgor pressure, which helps in opening and closing of stomata and movement of leaflets in Mimosa pudica. Next, it helps the living cells to remain target. This helps in deeper penetration of roots, extension of leaves, stretching of stem, etc. Okay, so now role of osmosis. Number one is it helps in absorption of water and minerals from the minerals from the soil by root hair, Next, osmosis helps in cell to cell movement of water. cell to cell movement of water. Next, osmosis plays a key role in the growth of radicle and plumule during seed germination. Next, osmosis develops turgor pressure. Which helps in opening and closing of stomata and movement of leaflets in Mimosa pudica. Next is, it helps the living cells to remain target this helps in deeper penetration of roots, extension of leaves, stretching of stem, etc. Okay. Now next we need to know about tonicity. What is it? Tonicity is the tension developed in a system due to the presence of osmotically active substance in it. On the basis of tonicity, solutions are of following three types: isotonic, hypertonic, hypotonic solution. Okay, so now next we need to know about tonicity. Tonicity is the tension developed in a system due to the presence of due to the presence of osmotically active substance in it. On the basis of tonicity, on the basis of tonicity, solutions are of following three types: number 1, isotonic solution. Isotonic solution. In isotonic solution, the relative concentration of water and solute on either side of the cell membrane is the same. In such a solution, there is no net movement of water molecules across the membrane. Thus, 0.9% sodium chloride solution and 5% glucose solution are isotonic to human erythrocytes. Okay, so now in isotonic solution, the relative concentration of water and solute on either side of the cell membrane is the same. In such a solution, there is no net movement of water molecules across the membrane. Thus, 0.9% sodium chloride NaCl solution and 5% glucose solution are isotonic to human erythrocytes. The 0.9% NaCl solution and 5% glucose solution are isotonic to human erythrocytes. Okay. Next is hypotonic solution. Now, next is hypotonic solution. What is it? When the extracellular solution is less concentrated, having more water than the intracellular fluid, it is known as a hypotonic solution. Okay. So now, when the extracellular solution is less concentrated, having more water than the intracellular fluid, it is known as hypotonic. Solution. Okay, it is known as hypotonic solution. Now next, hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution has a higher concentration of salts and less water than the intracellular fluid of the cell. Okay, hypertonic solution has a higher concentration of salts and less water than the than the intracellular fluid. Of the cell. Then what is hypertonic solution? Hypertonic solution has a higher concentration of salts and less water than the intracellular fluid of the cell. Okay. Now I'm going to finish here. So now, bye students.